Let's play a game. For years you've wandered through your life, numb, apathetic, wasting away. Choices you've made, or perhaps didn't make, have led you here. You've let your existence slip by day, trapped in a circle of misery. Today, that changes. In this room, you have a chance to fight for something you've never had. Freedom. Every second counts. Your choices, your determination will determine if you are worthy of a future, or if this room will be your tomb. If you succeed, you'll leave behind the emptiness, a life half lived. The clock is ticking. This is your moment. Do you have the strength to survive?